Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Camilla and I crochet plushies, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. So today we're gonna do something really different. We've never done this on the channel before, but we're gonna be baking a pumpkin loaf bread. Fun fact, I love baking. I know how to bake and everything I make tastes good. Yeah. So without further ado, welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas, and yeah. What can I say? I didn't record the last part of it, like me tasting it, because everyone ate it up and left no crumbs. It was that good. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for coming to today's video. Before you leave, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!